oil right there. Now filter. The funnel. Oil filter, let's grab. This guy just in case. Let's try these. Underneath the plug. I'm gonna loosen this drain plug. And so this doesn't get all over my sway bar. I built this silly little thing to catch it. Next we're going to try to get this oil filter out. Just got some matting here to soak up some of the oil. A couple of tools you can use. This band one, or the teeth, or it might even be able to come loose by hand. Oh shoot, there we go. We're going to try to get this oil filter back on. The most impossible task sometimes. Alright, drain plug's in, oil filter's changed out. Let's get some oil in it. We're going to add some of this in there too. The last thing we'll do, we'll let it run for a little bit, shut it off, and let's check this oil. Dipstick shows it's a little bit low. We're going to add some more. Alright, we'll take that.